because everybody's doing the same thing. So you gotta experiment a little bit. That's all there is to it. If you don't, then you're just like everybody else. So this may end up being a really green, ugly thing, but we'll see. All right, and then some more of the white. Like that sound? And of course, I'm getting paint on me. All right, and then some more blue. All right, that should be enough. A little bit of my regular blue. I love this blue. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little bit over here. So we have a little bit of something different on the side. And then a little bit of black. Alrighty. Get gloves back on. I buy the gloves by 200 at a time. 200 gloves in a pack. I usually get them buy one, get the second one half price, or the best deal I ever had was getting them with a my reward points. So it cost me $7 for 2. It was great. I'm using the same towel. So let's go like this. Make sure everything's covered. And let's swipe. And I didn't get this end over here, it's bugging me. So let me swipe again. There we go. And I'm going to throw some of this off of this side. One thing about this acrylic art, you can basically get away with doing just about anything because it's very, what's the word I'm looking for? It's understanding. Whoopsie. Well, I got the sides painted now. All right, and this side here. Now this one's cool looking. This one is awesome. Tell me this isn't awesome. It's great. Wow. You see it? Can you tell really well? This is gorgeous. So now, let me fire away. I don't know why this was on a different thing here. Let me see. Woo! Gorgeous. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. Well, I love it. I don't know about y'all, but I do love it. Well, now we know a different way to swipe. You don't have to always use white or black. You can use different colors. You don't like it, do it again. It's very easy. Let me take you down, give you a close-up. Here you go. It's pretty cool. So, tell me if you like it. By all means, hit like and subscribe if you're not subscribing already. And maybe this is my second to my last little canvas I have. The rest The rest are, let me see, I've got 12 by 36. That's going to be fun. And I have 3 of those, and then I have 3 of 16 by 20. So it should be fun doing that. Anyway, everybody have a great day, and I'll catch you later. If you can find my stuff on Etsy, Janice410. Janice410 everywhere. Okay, bye.